What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 15-watt magnetic wireless car charger for the iPhone 12 models made by the brand Kiwen. But before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, one more quick thing I wanted to show you guys where I got it from. So this is where I picked the product up from, Amazon. This is where you can get it from. I will throw a link up in the description. But I also wanted to show you guys something real quick so you can be aware of things that happen on Amazon. And this is a good example. So here on Amazon, this product is $25. Current date, if you look, the current date is May 24th. So $25 May 24th. But I actually purchased this product on May, I want to say 3rd or 4th or something, and I got it delivered on May 6th. And it was $9.99 at that time when I got it. So just in that short period of time, it has jumped up significantly to $25. So with that being said, if you see something out there that's a little bit cheaper that you want to try out on Amazon, I guess that is the lesson is go ahead and snag it up and try it out while the price is cheap, because prices will rise no matter what the product prices can possibly rise on you. So once again, I scooped it for $9.99 and now it is $25. So we'll open up this box, look at it, test it, and see if it's now worth $25, because when I got it, it was worth $9.99 and I was just buying it to test it out because, you know, this was my first iPhone 12 with the Magsafe. So I didn't want to go all out on Magsafe, because what if I didn't really care for Magsafe, and you know, what if I wasn't going to use Magsafe to the full extent? So I said, let me just jump in and see how this Magsafe is, and that's why I got it for $9.99. But it's $25 now, so let's get into this box and see if it's now worth $25 when my unboxing is from the perspective of $9.99. You understand what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you guys do. Let's get in this box, man. So opening up this box, we're going to be greeted with the actual base. So this is the base charging port down here at the bottom. Has a little bit of weight to it. Let's put this off to the side right there. Move this out of the way. User guide just kind of tells you how to put it together. It should be pretty simple. We have this piece and this piece here. So I'm pretty sure that goes in there, and then we're gonna push that into the back. And then we have the USB-C charging cord that you will plug into your car and plug into the bottom there. So let's put this thing together real quick and test out the strength. Should be fairly simple. Looks like you just take this and we just push this in really hard. And we got it. So this is what it's looking like right here once you get it all put together. And then right here you would unloosen this to open up this piece, and you'll put it into your vent on your car. So we're going to do that as well, but let's just test out the magnetic portion here to see if it would actually even hold the phone. So here's my iPhone 12 here. Let's see if this would actually work. Yep, and it's holding pretty well, as you can see. Let me move this out of the way. It's holding pretty well. So let me see, let me put my case back on it. See, because this is a pretty thick case, so let's see with this case, would it still hold? Let's take a look. Let's see. So the case is on. Okay, so it's holding with the case on. Nope. So it's holding with the case on. Turn it upside down, give it a little shake. Yep, it falls straight off. So let's go and put this thing to the test in the car, see what it looks like, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I wanted you to see what it looks like in the actual car. So here's the charger, and I have my case on my phone right now, and it sits there perfect, but I will be honest, it will fall. I'm 100% sure it will fall the moment I pull off. So I highly suggest, if you do put a case, make sure it is a thin case or a MagSafe case. So let me take my phone out really quick, and here is it with the phone out of the case. So yeah, that's more solid. So yeah, that's what it's looking like, guys, here in the car. It is very solid. It holds real well without a case. So I'm pretty sure if you had a MagSafe case, that it will hold just as good with that case or without that case. So Yeah, let's wrap this video up, guys. So this has been the 15-watt magnetic wireless car charger for the iPhone 12 models, pretty much the Magsafe style. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm will be nice to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop any video on this channel. And it's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.